Subject: Design of machine elements. Practical number 12. Aim: to study about the design of flat drives. The belt or ropes are used to transmit power from one shaft to another by means of pulley which rotate at the same speed or at different speed. The amount of power transmitted depends upon the following factors. First, the velocity of the belt. Second, the tension under which the belt is placed on the pulleys. Third, the arc of contact between the belt and the smaller pulleys. Fourth, the condition under which the belt is used. It may be noted that the shaft should be properly in line to ensure uniform tension across the belt section. The pulleys should not be too close together in order that the arc of the contact on the smaller pulley may be as large as possible. The pulleys should not be so far apart as to cause the belt to weigh heavily on the shaft, thus increasing the friction load on the bearing. A long belt tends to swing from side to side, causing the belt to run out of the pulleys, which in turn develops crack spots in the belt. The tight side of the belt should be at the bottom so that whatever sag is present on the loose side will increase the arc of contact at the pulleys. In order to obtain good result with flat belts, the maximum distance between the shafts should not exceed 10 meters and the minimum should not be less than 3.5 times the diameter of the larger pulley. Selection of a belt drive. Following are the various important factors upon which the selection of belt drives depends. First, speed of the driving and driven shaft. Second, speed reduction ratio. Third, power to be transmitted. Fourth, center distance between the shaft with positive drive requirements. Types of belt drive. The belt drives are usually classified into the following three groups. Light drives. These are used to transmit small powers at belt speed up to 10 meters per second as in agricultural machine and small machine tool. Second, medium drive. These are used to transmit medium powers at belt speed over 10 meters per second but up to 22 meters per second as in machine tools. Third, heavy drives. These are used to transmit large power at belt speed about 22 meters per second as in compressor and generators. Types of belt. So there are many types of belt used these days, yet the following are important from the subject point of view. First, flat belt. The flat belt is mostly used in the factories and workshops where a moderate amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are not more than 8 meters apart. Second, V belt. The V belt is mostly used in the factories and workshops where a great amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are very near to each other. Third, circular belt or rope. The circular belt or rope is mostly used in the factories and workshops where a great amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are more than 8 meters apart. Thank you.